Ada yang mau cerita hari ini mungkin udah ngapain aja, ngelakuin apa aja, ada hal yang menarik nggak mungkin buat di-share ke teman-teman yang lain? Nggak ada. Hello, is there any one of you who have something special maybe that you want to share to your friends?
I think I don't have, sir.
You don't have. Okay. So what was your activities today if you don't have something special?
I went jogging, Mister.
No, sir.
What? What did you do?
Nothing special.
Went to jogging.
Nothing special. So you just do your regularly activity like going to work maybe or going to
Yes.
school? Ah,
I'm going
okay.
to work.
Miss, I
Okay.
want to share my day.
So every day you have to go to the office
I
or
want
sometimes you are working from home? Hello? Ada yang bekerja di rumah kadang-kadang, ada nggak?
Ada.
Yes, Mr. I'm
Okay, that's
I'm
good.
working from home.
How do you feel working from home?
Sometimes I feel bored. Me too. I just graduated, sir. So I don't go to school.
Ah, okay. You have just graduated from school.
Senior high school.
Oh, junior. So it means you turn to senior high school now.
No,
Mau SMA berarti.
I'm go to college.
Hmm,
Yeah.
college.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. Udah kuliah gitu ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, before we start to talk about our next lessons, we are going to do the review first. Kita review dulu teman-teman ya, terkait topik yang memang sudah pernah kita pelajari sebelumnya. Oke. Ya, dulunya sama, teman-teman coba nanti jawab pertanyaan saya sesuai dengan instruksi. Kalau ada yang mau merekam, silakan minta apa namanya akses untuk merekamnya. Sudah saya kasih akses gitu ya. Teman-teman tinggal nanti bisa merekam. Kalau yang pakai HP itu nggak bisa ya. Biasanya teman-teman yang pakai laptop atau yang pakai komputer tuh bisa buat merekam gitu ya. Oke, ya. Here we go to the questions. Number 1. Please try to answer my questions by using a proper tenses. Okay, number 1 is using where. Di mana biasanya kamu bekerja? How do we say it?
Where do you
Where do you work?
use?
Where
Okay.
usually do you work?
Di mana biasanya kamu bekerja? Where?
Where do you
Where do
usually
you
work?
usually work?
Okay. Where do you usually work?
Work.
Oke, di mana kamu biasanya bekerja? Di mana kamu sedang bekerja sekarang?
Where do you
Working now?
Are you working?
Where are you
now?
where
Working now?
Oke, where are you
where are
working
you
now?
working now?
Ya, di mana kamu sedang bekerja
Where are
sekarang?
you working now?
Oke, and then the next is di mana kamu baru saja bekerja?
Where have you
Have you
I've just
just
you work now.
working now?
Oke, where have you just worked?
Where have
Ya,
you
di
just
mana kamu
worked
baru
now?
saja bekerja? Kemudian, di mana kamu telah bekerja selama 2 tahun?
Where
Where have you been working?
Where have
For
been working at?
Okay. Where have you been working
Where have
for
you been
2
working?
years?
2 years.
Ulangin. Di mana kamu telah bekerja selama 2 tahun?
Where
Where
have
have
you
you
been working
Where have you
Hours for 2
been
hours.
working for
Okay.
2
Where
years?
have you been working
Where have
for
you been
2 years?
2 years?
Okay. Now, the next. Apakah kamu bermain game setiap hari?
Do you
game every
Are you
play
playing
game
game every day?
Okay.
every
Yeah. Do you play game every day?
Do you play game every day?
Yeah. Do you play game every day? Kemudian,
Game every day.
apakah kamu sedang bermain game sekarang?
Are you playing
playing
game?
game now?
Are you playing game
Playing game now?
Are you
Okay.
playing game
Are
now?
you playing game now? Apakah kamu
Are you
sedang
playing
bermain
game now?
game sekarang? Apakah kamu baru saja bermain game?
Have
you just
Just
playing
you playing game?
played game?
Have you
Okay.
just
Have you just played game?
have you just played
Okay. Apakah kamu baru saja bermain game? Apakah kamu telah bermain game selama 2 jam?
Have you been
You been
playing
playing
game
game?
2 hours?
Have you played
Have you
2 hours.
playing a game for 2 hours?
Have you
Okay.
played game
Have you been playing game for
Play
2 hours?
2
Apakah
hours?
kamu telah bermain game selama 2 jam? Kemudian coba the next questions using who? Okay. Ya. Siapa yang sering datang ke rumahmu?
Who is coming home?
Usually home.
Who is usually coming home?
Siapa yang sering datang ke rumahmu?
Who is coming?
Just often
Usually coming
Who is often come to your house?
Okay, the correct answer is who often comes to your house. Ulangin. Siapa yang sering datang ke rumahmu?
who often
Come to your house.
Who are
Who
often
often comes to your house? Okay, who often comes to your house? Siapa yang sering datang ke rumahmu? Siapa yang sedang datang ke rumahmu sekarang?
who
Coming to your house now.
coming to your house now?
Who is coming to your house now?
Okay, who is coming to your house now? Okay. Siapa yang baru saja datang ke rumahmu?
Who just
coming?
came to your house.
To your house?
Okay, who has just come to your house?
To your house now.
Who has just come to your house? Siapa yang telah datang ke rumahmu selama 3 jam?
Who has been coming your house?
Who has been coming
To your house
To your house.
2 hours?
2 hours.
Okay, who has been coming to your house for 3 hours? Selama 3 jam. Okay, now the next questions coba. Ya, pertanyaan berikutnya. Mengapa ibumu masak nasi setiap hari?
Why does
your mother
Cooking for every
rice
day.
every day?
Your
mother
Okay.
cook rice
Yeah, why does your mother cook rice every day?
every day?
Yeah, why does your mother cook rice every day? And then, mengapa ibumu sedang masak nasi sekarang?
Why your mother is
Why is your mother
now?
Your mom
rice
Why is
now?
your mom cooking?
Your mother
Okay. Why is your mom cooking rice now?
Oh ya, is ya.
Okay, why is your mom cooking rice now?
Maaf, Mister, ini ada di
Mengapa
halaman berapa ya?
ibumu ada di halaman berapa?
ini review.
Ada di buku semua. Semua ada di buku. Gitu ya.
Oke, Mister.
Jadi siapa tadi yang nanya?
Okta, Mister. Maaf, soalnya dari
Okta,
kemarin
kamu-
nggak join, Mister.
Oh, kamu nggak ikut, pantesan.
Iya,
Dari awal nggak ikut.
Oh, baru sekali.
Oh, baru sekali doang.
Iya.
Waduh.
Maaf, Mister.
Oke. Nonton videonya nggak?
Dari mana ya, Mister?
Di grup biasanya teman-teman ada yang ngirim gitu ya.
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada, Mister. Kalau bisa.
Kalian batch berapa, Ta?
88 maybe.
Coba ya, nanti tak cek ya. Kayaknya ada.
Ya, thank you, Mister.
Oke. Ya, coba lanjutkan di sini tadi ya. Mengapa ibumu baru saja masak nasi?
Why does
Why
does
your mom
Why has your mother just cooked the rice? Oke. Mengapa ibumu telah masak nasi selama sejam?
Why
Why has your mother been cooking rice for 1 hour? Oke, saya tanya sekali lagi di sini deh. To make it sure gitu ya. Biar teman-teman nanti nggak pada lupa semua. Sebelum kita lanjut ke topik berikutnya, saya minta teman-teman benar-benar matang di sini gitu ya. Wait. Coba sekali lagi dari nomor 1. Siapa yang sering nonton drakor?
Who often
Watching drama.
Watching drakor.
watches
Korean drama?
Okay, who often watches a Korean drama? Ya, who often watches? Siapa yang sering nonton? Siapa yang sedang mencarimu?
Who is looking
Okay, who is looking for you? Siapa yang baru saja memberimu mawar?
Who is
you flower?
Oke, bentar ya. Sebelum teman-teman jawab deh. Yuk, Mr. Jess tanya dulu deh. Oke. Ya, kalau teman-teman ngomong sedang itu pakai apa?
Is an R.
Pokoknya to be, verb,
Yes.
being. Ya, itu sedang. Kalau baru saja, Baru saja. Kemudian kalau sudah selama
Saya sudah selama
Been working.
Working.
Oke, ingat-ingat ya. Coba sekali lagi. Siapa yang baru saja memberimu mawar?
Who
Who is just
Has just
just
your given
Oke. Who has just given you rose?
euros.
Siapa yang baru saja makan?
Who has
Who has just eaten
Oke. Siapa yang baru saja mandi?
Who has just taken bath.
Ya, who has just taken a bath?
Taking a
Oke. Siapa yang baru saja minum kopi?
who
Who has just drunk
coffee.
Who has just drunk
coffee.
coffee? Siapa yang telah memimpin perusahaan ini selama 7 tahun?
Who has
been
Leading this company
for
years.
Oke. Who has been leading this company for 7 years? 7 years, 7 tahun. Oke, siapa yang telah bermain game selama 3 jam?
Who
has been playing a game for 3 hours.
Siapa yang telah bernyanyi selama 10 menit?
Who
Has been singing for 3 minutes.
Siapa yang telah bekerja di sini selama 10 tahun?
Who
Has been working for 3 years.
Oke, who has been working working here for 10 years? Bah, apa yang sering kamu cari di pasar tradisional?
What
What do you often look for traditional market?
Looking for in the market?
Ayo.
Look for. What do you
What
often
do
look
you
for?
often look
what do you
for?
often
In the traditional market.
market traditional
Apa
market?
yang sedang mereka tunggu?
What
What
are they
What are
waiting
they waiting for?
What are they waiting for here? Apa yang sedang mereka tunggu di sini? Di sini. Apa yang telah Lisa bersihkan?
What
What
has Lisa cleaning?
Has Lisa
what just
clean?
cleaning?
Apa yang telah Lisa bersihkan? Apa yang telah Mr. Jess jelaskan selama 30 menit?
What
What
has
has
Mr.
Been
explained
explaining for 3 minutes. 30 minutes.
Okay. What has Mr. Jess been explaining for 30 minutes?
explained for 30
Di
minutes?
mana biasanya ayahmu bermain golf?
Where usually
your father
Where
play
Where do
Your
you father play?
does your father
Where does your father?
where does your father
Okay, where does your father usually play golf?
usually play golf?
Okay. Di mana Sam sedang memperbaiki mobilnya?
where
Where are
Sam
Sam
hiring big car?
Where are refiring?
are?
Where is Sam
Where is
repairing his car?
car?
Oke, di mana mereka telah membeli barang ini?
Where
Have
They
they
have
Where has
there have
Just
the
Where have they
where
bought
have
this
been
this stuff? Boleh. This thing boleh. Di mana kamu telah mencari Lisa selama seminggu?
where
have you
have
been
you looking for Lisa
Lisa
for
for
1 week?
Okay. Where have you been
where have
looking
you
for
been
Lisa
looking
for
for
one week?
Lisa for 1
Belum
week?
belum pada ini ya? Oke. Pelan-pelan ya. Gimana? Masih belum terlalu ini bisa?
Ya bisa kalau baru dibahas gini bisa, Mister. Tapi kalau udah
Oke.
bisa udah lupa.
Oke, ya, nggak apa-apa. Ini saya coba sambil latihan lagi. Habis itu nanti lanjut ke topik selanjutnya ya. Karena ini sebenarnya sering kita gunakan juga gitu ya. Kalau teman-teman nanti eh, nggak nggak cepat nangkepnya, nanti ya jangan ke sana-sana dulu gitu ya. Satu dulu dimatengin. Coba.
Ya betul.
Sekarang
Ya,
kita
betul,
gitu ya. Mengapa Mr. Jess mengajar setiap hari?
Why
Why
does
Every
Mr.
day.
Mr. Jess
Well,
teach
does
every day.
Mr. Jess
every day?
teach
Every day.
why does Mr. Jess teach every day?
Mengapa Mr. Jess mengajar setiap hari? Mengapa Mr. Jess sedang mengajar sekarang?
Why is Mr. Jess
Why
teach
is Mr. Jess
Why is Mr.
just
Jess
now?
teaching now?
teaching now?
Oke.
Why is Mr. Jess teaching now?
Mengapa Mr. Jess baru saja mengajar?
Why
Why has
Mr. Jess
just teaching?
why has Mr. Jess just stopped?
Mengapa Mr. Jess telah mengajar selama 3 tahun?
Why have been Mr.
Why has
Mr. Jess have
Mr. Jess
teaching
been teaching
for
for 3 hours? For 3 years?
3 years.
Why has Mr. Jess?
Oke. Ya, ini biar teman-teman nanti sedikit tahu ya. Fokusnya ke sini sebenarnya teman-teman ya. Oke, yang pertama teman-teman tahu ini kan. Ini kata kerja bantu. Ini kata kerja asli, ordinary. Dan ini adalah ya keterangan waktu. Jadi ini 3 hal yang sebenarnya teman-teman tuh harus sudah tahu ya. Kalian tahu kenapa kalian pakai auxiliary does? Karena subjeknya adalah Mr. Jess, gitu ya. Kalian tahu kenapa di sini harus verb 1? Karena sudah ada does. Ya, dan di sini juga sudah ada keterangan every day. Itu setiap hari. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau teman-teman mungkin mau bikin contoh lagi kayak semacam kalimat yang sama seperti ini, ya tinggal ikuti pola ini aja sebenarnya gitu ya. Misalkan kalian mau bertanya ya dengan cara seperti ini gitu ya. Mengapa Lisa gitu ya? Mengapa Lisa sering datang terlambat? Berarti gimana?
Why does Lisa
Come
Late.
late?
Oke, why does Lisa often come late? Mengapa Lisa sering datang terlambat? Kata kerja bantunya yang mana?
does
Kata kerja aslinya?
come
Come. Terus keterangan waktunya di
Often.
often, sering, gitu ya. Oke, misalkan lagi, mengapa kamu jarang mandi?
Why does your
Why
why
you
you
seldom
Seldom.
take a bath?
take a bath?
Take a
Take a bath?
Ya,
Why do you
mengapa kamu jarang mandi? Why do you seldom take a bath?
bath?
Oke, kata kerja bantunya mana?
Do
Do.
Do. Kata kerja aslinya?
Take.
Take. Ya, keterangan waktunya?
Seldom.
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 Oke. Ya, misalkan lagi gitu ya. Kita bertanya lagi dengan kata apa, katakan gitu ya. Apa yang biasanya kamu makan?
why
What do you
what do you what do you
usually
usually
eat?
eat?
What do you usually eat? Apa
Yes.
yang biasanya kamu makan?
Makan.
What do you
Kata kerja bantunya mana?
Do.
do?
Kata kerja aslinya?
Usually eat.
Ya, yang keterangan waktu?
Usually.
Usually.
Ya, sebenarnya 3 ini lumayan penting kalau teman-teman tahu gitu ya. Harus ada kata kerja bantu, harus ada kata kerja ordinary atau asli gitu ya. Dan juga ada keterangan waktunya. Jadi kalau sudah tahu seperti ini, mau Mr. Jess bolak-balik pakai pertanyaan apapun, kalian harusnya sudah nggak pusing-pusing lagi. Kan Mr. Jess bertanya dengan kata seperti ini. Kapan biasanya kamu makan malam?
When do
When
you
do you
usually dinner?
And do you usually have
have dinner?
dinner?
When you do when do you usually eat
Lagi, contohnya, di
dinner?
mana biasanya Mr. Jess mengajar?
Where do you
Where does
Mr.
usually
Jess
teach?
usually
Where does Mr.
Where
Jess
does Mr.
ya
Jess
usually teach?
Mr. Jess
Di mana Mr. Jess biasanya ngajar? Kalian harus paham kapan pakai das, kapan pakai do. Jangan asal comot gitu ya. Das itu ketika subjeknya nanti she, he, it. Do itu nanti ketika subjeknya
Ayu,
ayu, they,
Dewi.
ayu, dewi. Semisal, di mana mereka bekerja? Berarti
Where
Where
do they work?
where do they work?
where do
Oke. Lagi misalkan. Oke, mengapa Sam tidur jam 10?
Why do
Why
Does
Sam
Always
always sleep at
Oke. Why
PM?
does Sam always sleep at 10 o'clock?
O'clock.
Mengapa Sam selalu tidur jam 10 malam
Malam.
misalkan. Lagi, gitu ya. Kapan biasanya ayahmu berangkat ke kantor?
When does your
usually
usually go to work?
Oke. When does your father usually go to office?
Yes.
Oke.
to office?
Gitu ya. Lagi, misalkan, mengapa kita sering beli jajan?
Why do we
Why do
Why do
we usually buy snack?
usually
Oke, why
snack?
do we often buy snack? Mengapa kita sering beli jajan? Oke, tahu ya. Benar-benar teman-teman harus sering dipraktekkan ini deh.
I hope
Oke.
that
Ya, kenapa?
Insya Allah,
I hope Mr.
Oke, sekarang coba deh ya Mr. Jess tak bikin beberapa pertanyaan gitu ya, masih menggunakan tenses keempat tadi yang memang sudah teman-teman pelajari. Oke, wait, sambil teman-teman latihan menjawabnya di sini. Apakah Lisa sering bermain game?
What does Lisa often play
What
game?
does Lisa often play
Does
game?
Lisa
Does
often
Lisa
play
often
game?
game?
What
Play
does
game?
Lisa often playing game? What does
Oke,
Lisa often playing game?
bukan what teman-teman ya. Apakah itu beda dengan apa? Does.
Does Lisa
Oke. Does Lisa
often
often play
play game?
game?
What does Lisa
Apakah Lisa sedang bermain game?
does Lisa
What
does
is Lisa
playing
Playing game.
playing game?
Is Lisa playing
Lisa
game?
playing game?
Apakah Lisa? Oke, apakah Lisa baru saja bermain game?
Has Lisa
Has
just
Lisa
play game?
Has Lisa just played game?
Played
Apakah Lisa telah bermain game selama 1 jam?
Has Lisa been playing game for 1 hour?
Ya,
Has Lisa
jadi masing-masing di sini dia punya punya masing-masing jenis kata kerja bantunya, teman-teman ya. Oke, jadi nggak boleh kebolak-balik lagi. Oh, kapan kalian harus pakai does? Kapan kalian harus pakai is? Kapan kalian harus pakai has? Itu benar-benar sudah paham. Tadi nomor 1 jawabannya apa? Apakah Lisa sering bermain game?
Does
Does
Lisa
Lisa often play game?
Does Lisa often play game? Play.
Oke. Apakah Lisa sedang bermain game?
Is Lisa playing game?
Playing game.
Apakah Lisa baru saja bermain game?
Has Lisa just playing
Oke. Has Lisa just played game? Apakah Lisa telah bermain game selama sejam?
Has Lisa been playing game for 1 hour?
Has Lisa been playing game for 1
Oke.
hour?
Ya. Terus gimana, Mister, kalau misalkan kita membuat pertanyaan? Kalau kalian membuat pertanyaan, kalau ini sudah gitu udah gampang. Contoh, mengapa Lisa bermain game?
What does Lisa often play game?
Play
Does Lisa often play game?
Oke, jadi tinggal nambahin why doang di sini. Gitu ya. Why does Lisa often play game? Di mana Lisa bermain game?
Where does Lisa often play game?
Oke.
Play game.
Kapan Lisa sering bermain game?
When does Lisa often play game?
Bagaimana Lisa sering bermain game?
How does Lisa often play game?
Oke, gampang sebenarnya ya. Coba lagi. Di mana Lisa sedang bermain game?
Where
Does Lisa
play game?
Ulang. Di mana Lisa sedang bermain game?
Where is Lisa playing game?
Mengapa Lisa sedang bermain game?
Why
Lisa playing game?
Kapan Lisa sedang bermain game?
When is
Lisa
Lisa
game?
Bagaimana Lisa sedang bermain game?
How is Lisa playing game?
Oke, coba kita lanjutkan. Di mana Lisa baru saja bermain game?
Where has Lisa just played the game?
Mengapa Lisa baru saja bermain game?
Why
Has Lisa just played game?
Kapan Lisa telah bermain game?
When has Lisa
played
game for 1 hour?
Bagaimana Lisa telah bermain game?
How has Lisa played game?
Oke, di mana Lisa telah bermain game selama sejam?
Where has Lisa
been
playing
game
game
for 1
hour?
Apa Lisa telah bermain game selama sejam?
Why has Lisa
I've been playing game for 1 hour.
Dengan siapa Lisa telah bermain game selama sejam?
With whom has Lisa been
Playing game for 1 hour.
Bagaimana Lisa telah bermain game selama sejam?
How has Lisa been game for 1 hour?
Oke, jadi nggak ada alasan nggak bisa ya?
Ya paham,
sir.
sir.
Ya, paham kan?
Yes, I hope no reason.
Oke, ya kalau kalian paham, ya harapan saya pahamnya nggak sekarang doang, besok juga masih paham. Nah,
I hope so.
oke, ya nggak apa-apa ya, maklum. Masih muda terutama nih yang harus masih fresh gitu ya, jadi masih enak gitu ya buat belajar gitu ya. Oke, sekarang kita masuk ke nomor 5 teman-teman ya. Di sini kita akan belajar bagaimana kalau kita mau ngomong sesuatu yang memang konteksnya itu sudah terjadi di waktu lampau, teman-teman. Maka yang harus teman-teman ingat adalah verb 2 salah satunya. Oke, sekarang saya tanya dulu deh. Makan, verb 2-nya apa?
Eat.
Minum, drink, minum, menulis, wrote, berbicara, membeli, mencoba, mengambil, memberi, oke, belajar, membangun, menjual, dan sebagainya. Jadi kalau kita bikin contoh kalimat positif yang kita pakai nanti berdua. Misalkan, semalam saya makan bakso.
Yesterday I ate bakso.
Semalam itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa, teman-teman?
Last night.
Last night. Kok ada yang yesterday tadi? Ayo. Last night I ate. Okay. Last night I ate meatball. Kemarin aku minum kopi.
Yesterday I drank coffee.
Bacanya emang ini drunk, teman-teman. Kalau ini apa?
is part 3.
Nah, itu baru drunk. Kalau ini drink. Kemarin aku minum kopi.
Yesterday I drank coffee.
Okay, yesterday I drank coffee. Setahun yang lalu, Mr. Jess menulis sebuah buku.
1 year.
1 years ago, Mr. Jess bought
Okay, Mr. Jess wrote a book.
wrote
Semalam Lisa nyuri duitku.
Last night,
I stole my money.
Okay, last night Lisa stole my money.
my money.
Mereka berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik kemarin.
They spoke
Very well
English
Spoke
very
English
well
well
yesterday.
Minggu lalu ayahku beli mobil baru.
Last week,
Last
father bought
Okay, last week my father bought a new car. Okay,
New car.
aku mencoba makanan ini semalam.
I tried this
I tried this food last night.
Last night.
Ya, itu kalau kalimat positif yang teman-teman pakai nanti adalah verb 2. Gimana kalau kita mau ngomong tidak, Mr. Jess? Kalau mau ngomong tidak, tinggal pakai did not.
So not.
Kata kerjanya jadi verb 1. Contoh, semalam aku nggak makan bakso.
last night. Yesterday, I didn't eat meatball.
I not last ball.
I didn't eat meatball last night.
I didn't
Saya tidak minum kopi kemarin.
I
didn't drink coffee
I didn't drink coffee yesterday.
I didn't drink coffee
Tahun
yesterday.
lalu, Mr. Jess tidak menulis sebuah buku.
1 year old, Mr. Jess didn't
Okay.
write
Mr. Jess didn't write a new book atau book last year. Semalam Lisa tidak mencuri uangku.
Last night,
Last night Lisa didn't steal my money. Okay. Kita tidak berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik kemarin.
we didn't speak English
We didn't speak well
yesterday.
Minggu lalu ayahku tidak beli mobil baru.
Last week, my father didn't buy a new car.
Ya, last week my father didn't buy a new car. Aku tidak mencoba makanan ini semalam.
I
didn't try
this food
last
night.
Okay, I didn't try this food last night. Ya, jadi intinya kalau ngomong tidak, pakainya did not dan verb 1. Kalau apakah sama, tinggal did-nya geser ke depan. Contoh, apakah kamu makan bakso semalam?
Did you eat rice bowl
Last night.
midnight?
Okay, did you eat meatball last night? Apakah kamu minum kopi kemarin?
Did you drink coffee yesterday?
Ya, did you drink coffee yesterday? Apakah Mr. Jess nulis buku tahun lalu?
Did Mr. Jess write a book last year?
Ya, did Mr. Jess write a book last year? Apakah Lisa nyuri uangku semalam?
Did Lisa steal my money last night?
Berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik semalam.
Did they speak English?
Did we speak English well last night? Apakah ayahmu beli mobil baru minggu lalu?
Did your father buy
buy a new car last week? Apakah kamu mencoba makanan ini semalam?
Did you try this food
last night?
Oke, did you try this food last night? Ayo, sekarang teman-teman saya persilakan buat praktek bikin ini dulu deh, biar nggak usah banyak-banyak. Kalimat positif, ngomong tidak, sama ngomong apakah. Siapa yang mau coba? Ada yang mau coba?
Aku mau coba, Mister.
Boleh, ayo.
Uh, she finished her homework before dinner.
She finished the homework before dinner. Oke. Kemudian, tidak.
She didn't finish her homework before dinner.
Oke, apakah?
Did she finish her homework before dinner?
Oke. Ya. Siapa yang mau bikin contoh coba?
Boleh.
Ayo, silakan.
Drive itu verb-nya drove ya, Mister?
Drive, drove. Yes.
Yes. Okay. I drove my car to the office yesterday.
Oke, tidak.
I didn't drive my car to the office yesterday.
Oke, apakah?
Did I drive my car to the office yesterday?
Oke, very good. Next, who wants to try?
Saya, Mister.
Yuk, coba.
For positive, you tried seafood yesterday.
You tried seafood yesterday. Oke.
You didn't try seafood yesterday.
Apakah?
Apakah kamu mencoba seafood kemarin? You
Ya.
didn't try.
Did you?
You. Oh, pertanyaan. Did you try seafood yesterday?
Oke. Siapa lagi?
Mister coba. Saya mau coba.
Ya, silakan.
Sentence is she went.
Ya, silakan.
She went to shopping center last night.
You went to shopping center last night. Tidak.
She didn't go to shopping center last night.
Oke, apakah?
Did she go to shopping center last night?
Oke, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Masih ada lagi yang mau bikin contoh, coba.
Mister, coba.
Ya, silakan.
My mother washed plates last night.
Oke, my mother washed the dishes last night.
The dishes last night.
Oke, tidak.
My mother didn't wash the dishes last night.
Oke, apakah?
Did my mother wash the dishes last night?
Oke, very good. Next, who wants to try again?
Okta, Mister.
Ya,
Positive ya. Okta swept the floor yesterday. The negative, Okta did not sweep the floor. Question, did
Okay.
Okta sweep the floor yesterday? Did Okta sweep the floor
Okay.
yesterday? Gitu.
Ya.
Okay, thank you, Mister.
Siapa lagi yang mau bikin contoh?
Saya, Mister.
Ya,
For sentence positive, I cut my hair last week.
oke.
Sentence negative, I didn't cut my hair last week.
Oke, apakah?
For sentence question, did I cut my hair last week?
Oke. Ya. Yang lain
Thank
ayo.
you.
Saya, Mister.
Ayo coba.
I cook fried chicken yesterday.
I cooked fried chicken yesterday. Oke.
I did not cook fried chicken yesterday.
Oke. Apakah?
Did I cook fried chicken yesterday?
Oke.
Didn't I cook fried chicken yesterday?
Boleh. Ayo. Siapa lagi yang mau bikin contoh?
Me, Mister.
Ayo, silakan.
I gave my sister a book yesterday. Negative
Oke.
sentence.
Tidak.
I didn't give my sister a book yesterday.
Oke. Apakah?
Sentence. Did I give my sister a book yesterday?
Oke. Ya. Ada lagi yang mau bikin contoh?
Mister.
Ya, coba.
I drank coffee yesterday.
Wait, sorry.
I drank coffee yesterday.
Oke, tidak.
I did coffee yesterday.
Apakah?
Did I drink coffee yesterday?
Oke, very good.
Thank you.
Next, want to try again?
Can I try?
Can I, Mister?
Come on.
Noda. Dedek, saya kemana? Lewat situ.
Yeah, wants to try?
I want to try. I want to try.
Yeah.
My husband took a bath yesterday, and for negative sentence,
Okay.
my husband didn't take a bath yesterday, and for question, didn't my husband take a bath yesterday?
Oke. Ada lagi?
Me, Mister.
Ya, coba.
I ate cucumber yesterday. I didn't eat cucumber yesterday. Did I eat cucumber yesterday?
Oke. Ya, cukup simpel teman-teman ya. Nanti kita lanjutkan tentang gimana cara bertanya dengan menggunakan WH questions. Yang pasti ya hampir sama dengan kemarin-kemarin. Silakan. Kalau ada yang mau tanya, masih ada waktu 4 menit buat tanya-tanya, silakan.
Kalau dia pakai
Ada?
hari,
Saya
Mister,
Kalau pakai apa?
misalnya saya membeli sepatu Senin kemarin gitu.
Oh, oke. Last Monday boleh.
Oh, last Monday. Oke, thank you, sir.
Last Monday. Ya, hari Senin yang lalu kan artinya.
Yes, Mister.
Oke, boleh pakai last Monday.
Mister mau tanya,
Ya.
kalau mereka itu pakai are nggak? They are both.
Kalau apa?
They.
Di sini nggak ada
Mereka.
are, Bu. Kita nggak, tadi kita nggak ngomongin are, dan saya memang nggak nyebutin are, karena apa? Kita cuma pakai did doang. Ya.
Oh, cuma pakai itu doang.
Iya, di
Meskipun
sini nggak
mereka.
ada are.
Meskipun mereka.
Kan tadi sudah dibilang, did itu buat semuanya. Gitu ya. Jadi nggak ada are, nggak ada is, nggak ada have, nggak ada has. Pokoknya hanya satu doang. Did. Makanya ingat-ingat di sini. Gitu ya. Ini cukup gampang. Jadi nggak ada macamnya, nggak banyak. Nggak perlu apa mikir harus apa enggak. Pokoknya semuanya pakai did. Gitu ya. I, you, they, we, she, he, it, semuanya pakai did.
Oh ya, Mister.
Oke, ada lagi yang mau tanya?
Me, Mister.
Ya.
Kalau penggunaan was, were itu untuk kalimat apa ya?
Ya, was sama
kita
were itu digunakan buat nominal. Belum dibahas ya, karena kita baru bahas verbal dan belum selesai juga, masih dasarnya aja, nanti kita bahas untuk yang nominal.
Oh ya, dan juga satu lagi, Mister, untuk verb-nya itu kan ada yang berubah ya dari verb 1 ke verb 2 kan ada yang berubah, ada yang ditambahkan ed juga kan.
Ya.
Nah itu cara itu kan kalau nggak salah irregular dan juga irregular verb ya. Nah itu bedakannya kadang kan saya juga sering nggak hafal verb-nya semua gitu.
Ya.
Nah itu kapan ciri-cirinya apa ditambahkan ed dan apa kan tadi kalau it berubah jadi at. Nah, itu ciri-cirinya seperti apa?
Ya, itu nggak ada ciri-ciri khusus gitu ya. Teman-teman itu tinggal hanya latihan membaca saja, tinggal kalian cari nanti di googling aja tuh banyak kumpulan irregular verbs, kumpulan regular verbs. Itu teman-teman tinggal dibaca saja. Bacanya sering-sering, nanti biasanya kalau sudah baca itu secara insting teman-teman tuh bakal mudah, by feeling tuh mudah untuk mendeteksi. Oh ini kayaknya masuk ke regular deh. Oh ini masuk ke irregular deh, seperti itu. Karena jujur gitu ya, saya nggak pernah ngapalin beberapa irregular verbs dan regular verbs itu jarang banget. Saya hanya cuman baca sehari mungkin ya baca 10 list regular verb, besok nambah lagi. Jadi jangan dihafalin, hanya sering aja membaca perubahan-perubahannya, karena sudah sering nanti secara tidak langsung feeling kalian tuh bakal kayak bisa mendeteksi gitu ya. Kalau ketemu contohnya nih, it, eated, itu kan secara logika, secara rasa tuh menolak telinga kita. Oh nggak cocok ya. Sampai teman-teman ketemu seperti itu nanti baru, oh ini nggak cocok. Ada gived. Kok gue nggak pernah denger ya? Oh berarti nggak cocok. Seperti itu. Jadi saran saya jangan dihafalin. Karena meskipun kalian ngafalin juga paling berapa persen saja yang memang bisa diingat gitu ya. Jadi dibaca aja sering-sering sehingga kalian punya alat untuk mendeteksi, oh ini cocok, oh ini enggak gitu ya. Seperti itu. Itu saran dari saya. Kecuali kalau kamu kuat menghafal sehari 100 gitu ya, nggak apa-apa. Gitu ya. Oke.
Thank you.
Oke, goodbye.
Ada lagi yang mau tanya? Oh, udah jam 8. Oke, kita ketemu lagi besok ya. Di jam yang sama, teman-teman ya. Karena udah jam 8, Mr. Jess berpindah ke kelas yang di jam 8.
Thank you,
Silakan
Mister.
di-review dari topik-topik yang sudah kita pelajari ya.
Thank you.
Oke,
Thank you,
bye.
Mister.
Bye.